Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to get doubloons in World of Warships. Doubloons are premium currency in World of Warships that you can use to purchase ships or cosmetics or other items using real money. What you have to do is load into your port and then go up to the top right corner here. You can see purchase doubloons. Click that and wait for the screen to load. Once it is done loading, you can select the bundles that you want to purchase. There are some bundles that come with credits when you buy doubloons, or if you just want, you can purchase doubloons by itself. Like I said earlier, these doubloons can be used to purchase ships, containers, or even customizations. And that is how to purchase doubloons in World of Warships.